subalit nasaktan.
Hi guys, we are on our way to Edinburgh. It's actually like 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, but we're hoping that some shops are still open. So we've had a very good day today, full pack of activities. And this trip to Edinburgh, we just really made it a point that we can do it. Otherwise, we won't be able to do it anymore. Because we have a trip going to Birmingham early in the morning, and we want to spend time to our host tonight. And it's her birthday tomorrow. No, I'm just joking. It's not They can't be my travel companion. Jolie is the only one that passes. Can you imagine? We're having a trip and they're stealing. Scotland is a beautiful place. If you just really wanted to see the nature, the beautiful mountains, the beautiful seaside, the beautiful lake, the beautiful falls. Maybe next year we're going to Canada. Maybe next year we're going to America, and we will let you know where we're going next time. You're the joke? Yeah. We went to Loch Lomond this morning, then we went to the falls, and then we went to the park again because we had our lunch there. From Glasgow, it's like a good 50 to 1 hour drive going to Edinburgh. But because we came farther away, so it took us about an hour and a half to get to Edinburgh. But Jordan's gonna buy some drinks and food for me later for free, you know. So I'm looking forward to eating ice cream again in this cold weather. But it's not cold. It's actually sunny here in Edinburgh. My driving so far, you know, if my company makes me happy. Wow, look at this room. And if you tell them that they're sleeping, they will tell you that they're only closing their eyes. Next year, me and Joe are going to Canada, and we're going to probably go to America as well. Before the winter this year, hopefully we can go to Romania, and then we can visit Dracula's castle. I will show you how scary Dracula's castle is. But hopefully these guys behind us are going with us as well. So I'll get back to you as soon as I've got pictures if anyone.
Pansin mo ba ang pagbabago? Di matitigan ng iyong mga mata. Tila di na nananapig sa iyong yakap at halik. Sana'y malaman mo, hindi sinasadya. Kung ang nais ko ay maging malaya, di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Pulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang isama. tayo magkaintindi.
Sabi ko sa'yo, babe, yung pinagkatawa.
Tila hindi na maibabalik. Tamis ng yakap at halik. Maaring tama ka, malamig ang pagsinta. Sana'y malaman mo di ko sinasadya. Di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Ulong ng isip, huwag kang pakawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Di hahayaang habang buhay kang saktan. Di sasayangin ang iyong panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa yakap at sa piling na ng iba. Di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Ulong ng isip, huwag kang pakawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan.
Sabi nila palang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikupling. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot kong sakali man ika'y mawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi. Ang tadhanang nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig natin na magtatagal.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di palaging hahawakan iyong mga kamay.
Di ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa. Iibigin ka mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Mula ngayon hanggang dulo,
Ikaw at ako